Well, guys, that is right. It is 12:40 in the morning. You know why? Well, we are going to get ready for the Virginia Monthly. So yeah. We will start in 5 minutes. See you then. There it is. There it is. It just got sent, guys. It just got sent. What are we gonna start with now? Charlottesville. KLOVE.
Emergency. This system would bring you important This system would bring you important information.
Did he really mark Tennessee? You had to mark Tennessee, did you now?
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency,
I think they marked Tennessee.
it would bring you important information.
So, first of all, let's find out if KLOVE marked Tennessee. There's two. Oh my gosh. You really had to mark Tennessee now, KLOVE? Oh my. Marking Tennessee at 12 in the morning. Really, KLOVE? So, what I'm gonna do is probably I should not do this at 12 in the morning, but... Well, guys, you saw this clip, didn't you? Yes, we hit 400 EAS alerts thanks to KLOVE. Although they didn't mark Tennessee, that is still a big advantage in my EAS career. So thank you so much, KLOVE. Well, guys, this concludes the Virginia Monthly. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.